A pretty short video here, but this is a pretty interesting story. A bacterium survived the outside of a space station for a whole year. A year in space is no walk in the park, says Scott Kelly, an American astronaut on the International Space Station in 2015. His long-term stay and basically here, he's lost bone density and he had sore feet 3 months later. He says the other thing that survived making space is the production of the ISS, where UV radiation vacuum and use temperature fluctuations and microgravity are all element threats. So it's quite neat. A species of bacterium first found in the can of meat called Denatellus radiolums is still alive and kicking a year after spent being specifically designed platform outside for a pressurized module of ISS. While researchers are investigating these mighty globes for a while, an international team for the Tenobo mission on the outside of the Japanese experimental module Kibu put hardy bacteria to the test. The bacterial cells are dehydrated to the ISS and exposed fatality. A platform constantly exposed to the space environment. In this case, the cells were behind the glass windows that blocked out UV light over the 190 nanometers. And yep, basically, they're still surviving. They're still living. These cells are still living. Back in August, they wrote about the bacterium being left for 3 whole years. The team has been trying for a world record. They said they're trying to uncover what makes them so good at surviving these conditions. So after a year of radiation, freezing, and boiling temperatures, the gravity the resources have got back to space-faring bacteria down to Earth, rehydrated both control, spent a year on Earth and Earth orbit. And yep, the survival rate is a lot lower with VIO bacteria compared to the control version. But the bacteria didn't seem to be doing okay. It has been a little different than its earthbound brethren. So that means a bacteria survived space. It survived space for a whole year. And it's a pretty interesting story, and it's pretty cool. Goodbye.